Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text animation on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, open any document. Now from here just select any slide. Now if you want to add animation on the text, at first just select your text and then click on Animations tab. Then click on Add Animation. That's it. Here you can see entrance, emphasis, exit. Just choose any animation type as you like. If I select fly in and then click on preview, at the corner you can find preview option. And that's it. You can see animation has been added successfully. Also, if I select another slide, now from here, if I select all the text and elements, just press Ctrl plus A and then click on Animations tab. Then click on Add Animation, and then if I select wheel and then click on preview, and here it is. You can see it's added successfully. And that is how you can add text animation on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.